What's up, guys? We just got these brand new Pro Grip GP grips. Let's get them on. They look pretty cool. So let's get these old ones off. I'm just gonna cut them clean off, nice and easy. So you're gonna repeat the same thing on the throttle side, but just be a little bit more careful because you don't want to cut or damage the throttle tube. So on my race bike, I have this brake lever guard, which is required to pass tech, but you may not even have one on your bike, so you can just skip over this part, make it even easier. This is a little trick here that makes things way faster. You use this little air gun attachment, and you kind of want to twist while you're also applying air to kind of make a tight seal, which is going to slightly inflate the grip, and you can just slide it on real easy here. You know, I'm applying a little bit of pressure just to get the grip nozzle in the right spot. So, but yeah, it goes on less than 10 seconds. I've had to fight over this with multiple different methods, and I think this is the best, quickest, easiest way. So yep, that easy. That side's done, ready to go. I like the position. So pretty much identical process on the throttle side. It is a little bit tougher only because you have the throttle tube on this side. So that adds a little bit of diameter to the overall clip-on. But exact same method, just be a little more patient. So yeah, with just a couple more blows here, you'll see it seat into place. And then you can kind of actually adjust very easily in the same way as well. So what I typically use to secure the grips is a little bit of safety wire. And I actually broke my safety wire pliers at the last race round, so I'm doing these by hand, but it's essentially the exact same thing, super easy. Just pull it tight and twist it up. And then a quick little cut, and then bend the safety wire bit back into the grip so it stays secure. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helps.